Welcome. Today we will be using SchoolNet to locate curriculum. SchoolNet is an online platform for curriculum, lesson planning, assessment, and data. SchoolNet supports the PUSD instructional cycle for core instruction. For this training, we will focus on Phase 1, Planning. This aligns with the framework for teaching under Planning and Preparation. By the end of the training, you will be able to locate curriculum for each class that you teach. You will be able to read and understand each component of the curriculum documents, including learning targets, big ideas, key vocabulary, standards, and DOK levels. Teachers access SchoolNet from the Employee Portal by clicking on the SchoolNet icon. The initial launch page of SchoolNet is known as SchoolNet Home. Almost everything a teacher needs is located on the SchoolNet home page. If the side menu is expanded, it can be minimized by clicking on the lines to the left of the Peoria logo. It is best to keep the side menu minimized to avoid confusion. If you ever need to open the menu, just click on the dots to the left of the logo. From the SchoolNet homepage, locate the My Classroom widget. We will be using the My Classroom widget on the SchoolNet homepage to locate curriculum. Your view may look slightly different than the view shown here. Scroll until you see the box titled My Classroom. Next to the word Section below your name, notice that the field is a drop-down. Click on the arrow in the right side of the field to see all classes assigned to you. Using the section picker, select a class. Notice that the curriculum indicated under Today's Instruction corresponds to the curriculum for the section you selected. If you change the section, the curriculum link should change as well. Click on the curriculum title's blue link to go directly to the curriculum for the class you have selected. On the curriculum page, an overview of the scope and sequence of the entire curriculum is shown. In this view, teachers can see the name of the instructional unit, the duration of the unit, the big ideas, and the essential questions. Clicking on the title of the unit provides a more detailed view, which includes the standards operationalized into learning targets, as well as key vocabulary and other resources. Looking at the learning targets, you see the standard, the learning target associated with that standard, the criterion for success, and the DOK level. Let's pause now to complete a task. Go to SchoolNet, select a section or class from the section picker under My Classroom, locate the curriculum for the selected class, review the curriculum, look for big ideas, duration of the units, and the learning targets. If you cannot locate a section or you are a non-teaching certified staff, view the next slide. If you are a certified staff member with no classes assigned to you, or your classes are not yet assigned in the system, or you would like to view curriculum outside your assigned areas, view the next slide. If you are a staff member who does not have assigned classes, or no classes appear in the section chooser, you can still access curriculum documents. Expand the sidebar menu by clicking on the dots next to the logo in the upper left corner. From the side menu, click on the chevron next to Instructional Materials. From that expanded menu, choose Find Materials. Ignore the Materials search field. Instead, use the Filter By options to locate any curriculum that is currently housed in SchoolNet. First, filter by subject. Then, click OK. Then, filter by grade, then click OK. You can choose multiple grade levels and content areas. For this example, we've chosen English Language Arts and Grade 3. Once you've made your selection, click the blue search button. Using the filters on the left, select Instructional Units. Notice that the title of each instructional unit appears on the right, designated by the green IU icon. Click on the title of the instructional unit for a detailed view of the unit. At the beginning of each instructional unit, users will see a description of the unit as well as the pacing for that unit. Below the description, users will see these tabs for content, aligned standards, and linked materials. Within the content area are big ideas, essential questions, and learning targets. Continuing in the content area of the instructional unit, let's look at the learning targets. In the learning target chart, you will see the standard code, the learning target, which is the standard operationalized for student learning, and the criteria for success. The criteria for success provides the teacher and students with specific ways that students will demonstrate success with the learning target. The final column is the depth of knowledge level associated with the given standard. Finally, at the bottom of the unit, you will find key vocabulary and any resources. Further down, you will see aligned standards. Then any resources created in SchoolNet that are linked to this unit appear last. These are resources designed to support learning targets within this unit. Now let's go ahead and take another look at your curriculum. Go to SchoolNet, select a section or class from the section picker under My Classroom, locate the curriculum for the selected class. Use the information presented to take your own deeper dive into instructional units. Look for learning targets and criteria for success, aligned standards, and linked resources. This concludes the tutorial on locating curriculum. You should be able to locate and read your curriculum, as well as locate associated curricular resources. To learn more about all that SchoolNet has to offer, view the brief tutorials on using the lesson planner, creating assessments, and administering district and teacher-created assessments online.